day.
Pussy. I'm girl then. Right to a girl then. Fuck you over now end. Hey, one thing more than them fi understood. When girl good.
Oh gosh.
That tear she the wine pound.
Leave these women up in tell you say.
Good face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. You ready for kill sitting? Fat pussy in front of me, she give me with a one in a team pussy jump. Boy, you're independent, nah. Say that come for this money, no shot. You don't know when you start, girl. You set me good do and you sexy. Madam on the girl in a bed and you want top freak. Blow me like fan, wet like a hydrant. I mean, and if you fuck up and I want put you on all phones. I beg her she want more for sure. Me drill your pump do your like chore. Bust it up me for me knock it pussy clean and pure. Me sink it in on your dick. One thing more than them fi understood.
Watch it now.
When girl good. The pussy top tier, she the wine power. When girl good. Good face, shape, clothes, girl, nice. Come in a cup and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice.
What we think?
You do what you please, if you was a snake.
Dream, all in me sleep, me a fuck your wet dream. Murder anybody
Ready
you
now, lead up to
give me that, that man you take. Swallow up your cum, you can do the best success. Slap me cocky on your tongue, you are the best. Skinny tongue, feel me, girl.
Ladies, listen to this, sir.
Do what you please, if you was a snake, then me. So do what you please.
Me a talk to the bad girl, them, the mockers.
Yeah, so them a bleed, put me to sleep.
Alright, ready now.
So do what you please.
You sleep on a Friday night like a this.
Every month I'm getting coffee, stop getting coffee, stop. No so nice, when I just get up, when you just get up. No so nice, you could have money left tomorrow, when I get back up, when I come on. No so nice, can you get me 76 come up? But woman, no so nice, don't jump. Kina bang, kina happy sing, don't jump. Get pass it to the boy, I love you last night. You know them get it over. Living nice, if you did it to me, but you couldn't do that. Oh, you cannot do that. Everyone love you. But it's a no so nice. When I just get up, no so nice. When I get back up, no so nice. Can you get me 76 come up? But woman, no so nice. So be free. For health and strength and daily food. So I feel great. Some gonna live. Like we go heal him and me a look on him. The man skin.
Let me tell you what go on the other day.
First of all, let me say this, yeah. Fat bride, make she blow like Melissa. Berlin, shut the editor. President, now you old bitch, and I said it. Me fling charge on Jennifer. Regular we done, every bucket down America. She make it clap like a seminar. Twerk for my money, bitch, God, that's America. She a twerk and tumble down. Love me girl, them down to earth and down to ground. Inna your mouth like bubble gum. Your man a look for you, no trouble come. Tell him how your uncle son.
People are
vibes to the boys, Vibes Friday, Livevybz TV. Come now, sir.
Smoke ya, smoke ya, can't kush. No wife just tell me if you're not push. President now you hold and a charge push. Blood class come my artist I never charge nuts. Gyalis Jay, nah brook. She want put Louis V on foot. That bank never writing on a bar book. Ramp with the maca tree, bitch I get a ras took. She a twerk and tumble down. Love me girl, them down to earth and down to ground. Inna your mouth like bubble gum. Your man a look for you.
People watch your style, yeah.
Tell him how your uncle son. One hand man use and clump your clump up. Boom boom clean. Your front no bump up. And girl I don't your fuck stages. Cause boss made my friend. And girl I road dog. Swear. You never flat man. When I can't do the girl I love you forever.
Livevybz TV, Vibes Friday. Want big up everybody what they are, but watch the style, yeah.
Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to Shandong.
One Livevybz. Now we catch up vibes, people. Livevybz EP53 Friday, each and every Friday. You know, say Gyalis Jay there. You know, say
the signal strong.
Vybz.
The stream, everybody turning long.
Come down.
Big chat. Every little song, me
Say.
man up the yard of them foreign and hometown Gyalis of the spice. Him full of charm, talk the thing straight, but him keep you on from dancehall drama to street and a psalm. When the show starts, it's like cool breeze calm. Gyalis on the Livevybz. Turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jam down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture Gyalis on the Livevybz. Really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes from 585.
What is there? Vybz Friday.
The whole world. Weekend come, everybody know the code. Chat the link, share it on the road. Big up every crew in a chill mode. Chat sweet like mango, vibes overload. He marks walk one and he call us rolling. Story them spicy, pure belly busting, but him still show love. Now tear down King Gyalis keep it clean while the rhythm still swing.
That's how we build it.
Livevybz, turn it up loud, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with the on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. Livevybz, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. At the podcast where the whole world lies. Anywhere we there, the link still show. Yard man accent, kick down every door. And the real hardcore, if you love the vibe, show it one time more. One more, funny. Livevybz, turn it up low, make the whole block rise. Rochester to jump down with them on one side. Press play, sit tight, take the culture rise. Livevybz, really hard talk, you can sit in our eyes. From 585, go straight to seaside. Daddy, podcast where the whole world lies. Yeah, man. Livevybz steady, we not cool. Rochester, Jamaica, one rule. Anywhere you're there, just remember this. Goes with the fire, them party in Gyalis. Pronouns live.
Friday. Oh yeah, you could do that. I ain't fucking with you there. Yeah, grab that microphone over there. Like what's the people, we're there. As I said, with that bonfire earlier, we had to so whenever they have for a couple of weeks, so we there go and play with the equipment just to see what go on, and we're up and going and we're there. So we do ask if you now just tuning in, please do share the live. Drop some comments. We're gonna go in some time for work and come in. And Nate enough there, Rumbas International there, same place, Dr. Sour there. I say just go and share the live. Let me know son of them. Go in like a quick minute. Go and touch down. Share the live, let me know son of there. Yes? Yeah, I got you. Dark cell white. Little bit of black. No, little crack. Oh, stop. Don't can't remember, you know? For real. Can't make it tell you. People in the chat, share the live. Good to go. Share up the live. Share up the live. Alright, everybody, let me check in right now. Let me just check in real quick. Yeah, that's about it. That's it. But the bomb book out the mosquito you come from. Alright, that is it for me. That is it for me. Alright, so like what's up, people? Yeah, you like doing short. Yeah, check it again.
Stacking paper as usual.
The last 2 weeks while we wasn't here.
They be asking what I'm up to. Stacking paper as usual. On an island with 2 girls.
And then why not what people that show live right now? Check in.
What you doing, what you up to? Tongues them out, the love mutual.
Check in.
And no future. Still we love this life for sin. It's struggle real and we can't afford to broke. You will feel at the peace when load we talk. Me no hold it hard, but me a hold it up. Me shoot first, and no boy me shot. Me smoking up. Me fuck so much, girl, no know for trust. The devil them want my soul for crush. Backfire, them know we tough. What I'm up to? Stacking paper as usual. On an island with 2 girls. Mommy, I love this life for sin. Like what you doing, what you want to.
Oh, them Mr. Bailey, we see this touch. Share the life.
Still we love this life for sin. But I'm singing loud. Don't know better youth singing proud. Feel like me heading out the friggin' cloud. Squeeze up, play them in a 3D crowd. Get the bird enough for watch in these road. Cause the city's gone. Ready for the weather, we gon' retrieve all.
Instrumental after this.
You be done, we are about to be done. What you doing, what you want to.
Check in, people, check in. Make we know son there. Like we said, we're back at it again. Make we know son just touched down. Father Bailey in our chat, we see you. Boom, where's the over here? We're here, we're fully active. Bumbo clad. Mama Kiki just touched down. Hi Kiki. You're outside, we're fully active. Share the live. We're just there going juggle. See it? We're about to start the show. It's a quick short show today, as you can see. I just made the dogs in there actually before we touch the street. Is it? Just a pre-game before we go outside. Talk about a couple of things that we see and I go on with a vibe. Right? So again, we do ask you if you like the vibe, subscribe, drop a comment, say you here, share the live. And when you share the live to somebody, make sure they come check in and say you call them over here. See? You could do it like that. Alright. Yeah, Kiki. Yo, Kiki, share the live up to the people, let me know. Okay, I respect you, I appreciate you, thank you. The Father Bailey, same way. Alright, we're gonna get to it, same speed. Dr. Soa, why pre?
Good, man. What's good, man? How you been, bro?
I mean, if you ask you that, they're on the world tour.
Man, I ain't did too much, man. I ain't did too much.
Mosquito, you're catching him dead. Can you ask the chat, you know? Oh, we sound in the chat. We're fully active. Talk to me how we sound. Audio sound, music sound, we good? Y'all hearing us clearly? Oh my god, the mosquito you're coming in place from.
Nah, man, everything been good, man. It's been the same shit, different day.
Yeah,
man.
brother, are you if you ask, I come ask for one been. Are you the on world tour since your start, to be honest?
Nah, man, I've been chilling, man.
As respect key, as Bucky would say, let's talk about it.
Nah, man, I took my son out to Disney World. We did do that. That was nice, man. I said,
no, but before we even get into that, I want to talk about that, cause Let's put the cups up real quick, cause you know I always forget that.
yeah, man.
So if you're in the chat, if you're drinking something, water, whatever it is, yeah. So you know we always say, we here last week, it was here in spirit. We are alive and we are again this week. Cups up, and this is also to anybody celebrating a birthday or any type of celebration or accomplishments. Cups up to y'all this weekend. Alright, let's get right to it. Disney World. How the hell was that?
That shit was nice, man. That shit was nice, man. As an adult, man, that was fun. I'll be honest with you. It was, you know, they said that that's the happiest place on the planet. I really see it ain't no way to be mad out there, yo. It's so, I don't understand how anybody could be out there and be mad, yo. I mean, you spending some money, but.
Bro, how was the heat? People always complaining about the heat and the lines and all that stuff.
It was hot, but it wasn't that bad, yo. It was, cause it rained. And so the rain, the clouds came out, so it kind of covered up the sun and it wasn't as bad.
Oh.
And the rain in Florida be quick. It'd be like 15 minutes and it's over with.
A full thunderstorm.
Yeah, dead eyes. It'd be a whole thunderstorm. That shit be over with. But the longest that we waited in the line was like 40 minutes. I feel like that's basic time for waiting in line.
40 minutes for a line is...
That's basic. You go to the amusement park. That's basic, I feel like.
I don't think I ever have that patience waiting in line for 40 minutes.
Bro, you done waited in the line for at least 20. You didn't even think about it. And you looked up, it's been like 30 minutes. And you've been in the line before.
Maybe, but that amusement park well, you said it wasn't sunny, so maybe, I don't know.
And it wasn't that. And
they had vendors walking around.
They got fans and all of that shit.
I'm about to say they got vendors selling food.
It's mad food out there. So we went to Animal Kingdom. They got all the different countries, continents and everything in it too. So we was in Africa. Everywhere in Animal Kingdom had good food though. Everywhere had good food.
What do you mean you was in? Wait, come forward back. What you mean you was in Africa?
So they got a spot for Africa. They got it's like different continents. They got China, they got Africa, they got it's mad different ones.
Oh, they have
Mount
the food,
Everest
and they got the food to represent each country.
Exactly. Like the Lion King exhibits and everything was all in Africa. They had an African safari. Each place got their own safari for it too.
Was there any real animals?
Yeah, it was mad. It's Animal Kingdom. It's a zoo. It's a big ass zoo.
I didn't know it was a zoo. I thought it was like how they got the fake shit for the rides and shit and all of that shit. But yeah, I was talking to Niger. She just went to Disney for her birthday, actually.
I see she out there. She out there right now.
Yeah, so I was just like, what the fuck?
We did the drinking around the world. She went to Epcot, did that drinking around the world shit.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
You just go around the different countries that they got at Epcot representing, and you get a drink from each country. And you just drink it and go into the next one. Getting some food, trying some little snacks and shit. You gotta have something on your stomach in order to...
I know that's your ballpark, so I ain't even gonna ask.
Yeah, man, we was going.
But yeah, me like big crowds like that.
It wasn't, honestly, the crowds wasn't that crazy. Everybody keeps saying like the crowds ain't been the same because inflation hit. Everybody broke nowadays.
Yeah, Mike.
So
you want to twist it towards you so you can, for the people in that chat, so they barely hear it. Okay, alright, so yeah, carry on.
But nah, they were saying like so inflation and everything. So nowadays everybody, it's not as many people out there. But like we was out there 4th of July weekend and it wasn't really.
Yeah, that's where it should have been lit, no?
Yeah, you'd have thought it'd have been crazy. It wasn't, man. It wasn't. We watched the fireworks behind the castle and shit. I was like, it was just like the movie. I was like, yeah, it is. Like how the Disney movies be starting and everything when they be having the castle.
Yeah, how he like it?
See, no, he had the time in his life, yo. Yeah, he keep talking about it. I'll be hearing him talking to his cousins and his boys about this shit. He had the time of his life, yo.
What I need you to stop doing is though, stop taking these fucked up pictures of my boy.
So you'll see when your daughter get older. You got a girl though.
Just stop, man. That my boy looking like he ain't want to be there.
Son, it said he'll be wanting to take no picture, yo. I be wanting to have memories and shit. He'll be want to take no picture, yo.
But anyway,
he a little boy. He wanna go run and have fun and shit.
Well, all right. So we'll talk about some before we get into that. Yo, we got any events you got lined up? You wanna let the people know? Talk about, shout out real quick. Because these niggas don't be here, so when they here, they gonna tell you what they got going and they going for the month.
You know they got a whole lot of shit going on. International.
Is it on brother here?
Tonight, yeah.
Yep. Okay. No, what I did I say was we have a couple events that come up. Wow. Tomorrow we got Key Out by the Gal pool party. It's a private location. Get your
It's
tickets.
tomorrow. Yeah, you're right. That
Don't
is.
get your tickets when the location drop and you get there. Just make sure you get there early. You can pay at the door. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's
That shit went down last year. Shouts out to the kid bagger. She doing her thing, man.
She doing her thing.
She doing her thing. Big shouts out to her.
Yeah.
We got next week. What we got? I know it's a FIFA party.
Yeah,
Studio Lounge.
Studio Lounge, yeah. Shouts out to Studio, my boy Bleed, Ari, all of them.
There's mad parties, man.
Yeah,
Stuff
man.
going on, you know what I'm saying?
Definitely the
Studio
FIFA
Lounge
party gonna be
next
crazy.
week Sunday is gonna be crazy. So you know, day party vibes. Everybody know how them day parties go. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure y'all get there and get there early. I think the following week, the 25th, we looking forward to Culture Clash again.
Oh, they're bringing that
Culture
back.
Clash
coming
is
back.
coming
Shouts
back.
out to
It's
Fight
been a
Kid.
minute.
Culture Clash is coming back. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. You got 3 different genres of music going against each other. You got reggae / dancehall versus your reggaeton versus your hip hop and R&B. I think it's just hip hop, no R&B.
Okay, so you're gonna do just hip
I
hop?
think it's just hip hop. Don't, you know what I'm saying? I might be wrong, but
Oh, because Afrobeats got taken out of it.
yeah,
They got beat.
Afrobeats, they didn't really. They
How
didn't vote,
so?
They got
voted
beat.
them out.
They got voted out.
got
It
voted
was.
out.
It's really a clash.
They got
How
voted out.
Afrobeats got voted out of
I
hip
don't
hop?
know, but
Listen, I didn't
they
make
got-
the votes.
Hey,
I know.
you gotta ask Rochester that question. But just know that one's
People
gonna
in
be
the
crazy.
chat. How do you put up hip hop versus?
Well, hip hop. So the original one was Afrobeats versus dancehall
And reggaeton.
and reggaeton.
That would have been lit.
That was lit. The original one was crazy. The original one was crazy. I remember that one. We went to that. Wasn't you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we went to that one, man. The original one was crazy.
But
Then I think they took a vote though, because it was a clash once again, and Afrobeats got taken out of that one.
that's
And the
crazy.
next one was dancehall, reggaeton, and it was something else.
Me no
It
know.
wasn't hip hop though. I know it wasn't hip
But
hop.
I mean, I say that no sound like I want good mix. Cause me know say once dancehall play and reggaeton play and then put on hip hop, everybody go start rest. I rest area that.
You gotta think about it in terms of this, man. It's the people that's gonna come out and support their genre music, the fans.
Yeah, true.
So it's all who fans there, because I mean, Afrobeats is a top genre music, but it wasn't enough Afrobeats fans there to make that noise to keep
that's
Afrobeats
what it
going.
is.
So it's about getting those people out. That's
Oh,
that's
so it's
important.
that type
That's
of
like the
vote, like it
time
was in
when
a
we
live
did-
audience.
Yeah.
When Fire Kid first did his, it was I think it was just reggae versus reggaeton. I mean reggae and dancehall versus reggaeton.
I think so, yeah.
And Jamaicans ain't come out like
Yeah, they did.
that. We didn't come out in numbers like how we thought we would.
So
Even
it's
if we
definitely-
did, it was an even match. But you see them, when them Ricans came out,
They come out in numbers.
They came out. Even if it was the same numbers as us, their energy was on us. You know what I'm saying? A whole different level.
And you know that Latino energy is there. Always.
Well, man.
So make sure y'all come out and support the Culture Clash,
Yeah,
man.
they support it either way, but I'm here for anything that my boy's doing. So either way, so that's the update on the couple events, and that's I feel like damn. Me I try to be better people of writing stuff down, but I'm training myself.
JC birthday party next.
Oh yeah, the 18th.
Next
That's
Friday?
week, Saturday.
Next Saturday.
Saturday.
Shouts out to both of them, man. You know them
At
both. That's
Jolie's.
family at Jolie, man. JC and JK, man. They combine on their birthdays. That's gonna be a bit. That's gonna be. You better get there early for that one.
Yeah. So like me I say, I try to train my brain for remember stuff. So bear with me. So when we remember whatever I'm supposed to say, so moving forward, like any updates other than Disney World and the parties? How y'all week been?
It's been alright, man.
People in the chat, yeah. What's going on with y'all also? How y'all week been? Talk to us. We out here today. We got stuff that we want to talk about, and hopefully y'all can share us, update us on stuff too. But the first thing I don't know if I should do a cups up to that, but type like a moment of silence. I've been wanting to do this for the past, what, 2 weeks we've been missing? For the people in Venezuela from the earthquake. Yeah, let's just take a... All right, so talk about that real quick. Anybody seen any clips, footage, or so you don't know nothing about that?
Nothing.
I haven't, no.
Damn.
Educate us, please.
You're on the wrong side of the web.
Yeah.
That's on purpose too.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's by design. That's all by design.
What's by design?
That we don't know too much about it.
It's not what you don't know, it's what you feed yourself to. But anyway, we'll talk about that after, because I know. But yeah, like there's a crazy earthquake, a big earthquake after that hit Venezuela.
I did see that.
Knocked buildings down. There's people still trapped on the buildings. They're pulling babies out, families, all type of shit still. But on top of that, there's allegations that when the kids are getting rescued and sent to the hospital, or so to speak, they're getting kidnapped. They're changing their names and kidnapping. So there's one allegation going on behind them dealing with that, what they're dealing with, the earthquake that basically fucked the whole country up. And obviously, you know, the conspiracy theories there is obviously saying the earthquake was man-made. Do I believe it? Yeah, yes, but I digress. But for the people, mostly, let's focus back on the kids and the people. Like, if y'all don't know, I feel like y'all should just do a little quick little checkup. But it's wild. Like,
this is stuff that they're doing to these people and everything.
No, the how the building collapsed on the people, and they're just pulling like kids, all types of bodies. Some people are. This one clip was this mother survived 11 days with her kids, with 3 kids. One like an infant, one like 6 and one like 12, 14. She was breastfeeding her under the rocks and shit. That's how they survived.
That's real.
Like there are people still, bro.
That's real.
Yeah, bro. So just keep the people in Venezuela. I think Japan got hit too. Also, I don't know how catastrophic it was for them, but they got hit too. So it's a lot going on. But yeah, Venezuela.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like that's a jersey I'm gonna be wearing for a little bit right now.
We repping Venezuela.
Yeah, I want to get a Venezuela half and a Palestine half jersey, half and half.
Okay. Oh.
Type shit. That's what I'm gonna try to figure out how to get that done. 2 earthquakes. You see? They got hit with 2 earthquakes. They said in Venezuela. And my boy said one of his friends lost his father. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn. Damn,
Condolences for real. Bro.
Yeah, so, yeah, let's take another moment of silence for my boy, Castillo. Lost his dad recently. I don't know if I could speak on what happened, but it was crazy because it's baffling why it happened, how it happened.
Having to do with this earthquake situation?
No, my boy dad that passed.
Oh, this is something, okay.
Something totally different.
Right,
yeah,
right.
So, yeah. Yeah. Light a film Dwight and cups up to him while he grieving, and yeah, we'll talk about that. But it was my boy, like, you know, Dwight, my best friend from home, and he was another dude in the wedding party with us too. So that's how close we are, type vibe. So it does. We lost a family member type shit. So
that's real.
But yeah, let's move forward into hopefully more positive things. What you got on your clock?
It wasn't nothing positive. It wasn't that.
Let's get it out the way, man, so we can find some positive in this stuff.
I don't know, man.
People in the chat, check in with y'all, man. What's going on with y'all at the same time? Let's find some positive stuff while we closing out on the negative right here. Go ahead.
ICE about to start cracking down on the Haitian nationals and everything, man. How you feel about that, man?
I mean,
right now they got the what is it? The TPS. Trump got them protected up until July 31st. And I feel like August 1st, they about to crack down on the Haitian people, man. Like, it's...
That, surprisingly, I saw one clipping about it, but I didn't see much about it. But they made a first attempt earlier in the year when they started out down in New York City, and the Haitians chased them out of there.
Right, I saw that. I remember that.
So, but not surprised, bro. Like I said, they got us... I don't want to use the word numb. But they got us accepting this shit. It's like I said, we're not gonna care till it's us. And as much as they say me I cuss Andrew and say my kiss ass, I guess we don't gotta, us as Jamaicans don't gotta worry about that shit for now until we decide we don't want to take their illegal immigrants and shit that they want to dump out there.
Mm-hmm.
So, and that's another shit, but I understand. It's wild. It's not surprising. I wish, like, I feel the same way I feel about how the ICE started in the beginning, but it's a point of saying the same shit over and over again and nobody's gonna do shit.
So do you feel like ICE is basically just deportation?
Yeah.
It's just an extreme version of deportation,
Yes.
basically. They're just more aggressive.
Yes, extreme deportation.
So would there ever be a point where you would agree with some form of deportation?
Yes.
And what sense is that?
In a sense,
like when would you agree with that? Is what I mean.
When
Sorry.
the person they're deporting is what they're saying they're looking for, the criminals, the rapists, the murderers, the people who can't get reformed.
Okay.
If it's those that they get, yes. But if the people who are seeking asylum and they want to do the right thing, because majority of the people who they started deporting at first was the people in process of getting their paperwork. You know what I mean? People in the courthouse, they dragging them out of the courthouse with their lawyer and shit. So it's the people who really want to be here and are willing to work. As we saw how it hurt the farm industry and the hotel industry and a lot of the industries where minorities and the illegal immigrants were the restaurant industry. All of them shit got hurt and they all regretted it. Well, not that they had a say in it, but we see where that led. So some form of deportation is, like you said, to the extreme of when the actual people who they say they're deporting, if it's them, the criminals,
then it makes sense to you.
Of course.
Yeah, I can't disagree with that.
Like that makes up, but just to grab anybody and everybody, like, it's like, my thing is, anything I feel like you're doing should be done with humanity in it, some type of humanity in it. Assess the situation and shit. Like me and one of my coworkers, my cousins, was having a conversation about how cops deal with people, and he was saying he's 50-50, and I disagreed with him, and I started thinking about it more. And I gotta say, yeah, it's 50-50, because some people just be provoking as a cop. You already know the stereotype you got on you, so you don't want to be the next one they take out because you don't know when they're gonna take you out.
Yo, shouts out to Chaz, man. Chaz made a great point. You know he's an educator and everything, but he made a great point not too long ago. We was talking, and he was saying that he want to start trying to train the next, not train, but like push kids into being the next generation of police for our generation, for us. And I was like, you know what? That make a lot of sense actually, man. If it's more minority people as police, it might help change up the way things go and everything. But it's two sides to that coin as well. It is two sides to that coin.
What's the other side? Because
I mean, also it's been proven in statistics that that minority people you wave some money or you got the right people, you know the right people, you might turn the cheek because you know how to mind your own business a lot of times. And that's not always the things that you want your police force to be in. Not to say they're not already dirty and corrupt and everything. But it's two sides to that. You still want order and justification and all of that, but then you also want it to be.
I see. Well, I don't feel like it has a thing to do with who's in there as a minority or not. It's just the whole reconstruction of it. You know what I mean?
I get that.
Just how they approach and deal with people. Because and there's another thing I was pointing out is, what's the difference between with a peace officer and a law enforcement officer? Why is it two different terms?
I mean, the peace officer can't really arrest you, can they?
I don't know. I'm asking. They use the same term.
I don't believe a
police officer can arrest.
Peace. He said peace.
Oh, I thought you said police.
Oh no, police officer definitely can arrest your ass.
I was about to say.
Yeah, so because they use both terms, you know, they always throw those terms around, and when I pay attention to it, if I'm from my personal data, the one that said that they're law enforcement or police officers, those are the aggressor. And peace officers are always the one that's trying to de-escalate and try to talk to situations versus the ones that come up and put everybody in handcuffs and already pull taser and already assume, you know what I mean? Law enforcement. Once there's a disruption of whatever law, no questions asked. Let's disrupt. We're gonna deal with everybody and enforce the law, then figure out the shit later.
Yeah, but we have way more police officers than we do have peace officers riding around. You don't got peace officers just riding around.
But that's my point. That's what I'm asking though. Is it a difference with the terms? Is it a difference?
Hell yeah, it's a difference.
And then, like I said, and if it's a difference, there's not a lot of peace officers.
No,
like said,
but sometimes police officers are something, I hate to say that out loud, but it's some situations where they might need to be there.
Yeah.
And do you believe that outweighs the amount of situations where the peace officer will come in handy or the police officer will come in handy?
They should go hand in hand. Should go hand in hand for the most part. Somebody that know how to de-escalate and have a conversation, and if they're not listening, then that's when you bring in the muscle. The muscle shouldn't be the first thing on impact, and not no.
I don't disagree with that. I agree fully with that. Yeah. I agree fully with that. Yeah.
Like, and the crazy, they'll call. I've made up, not made up. I came up with this shit where people will call cops for people or 911 for people who's on the mental distress or trying to harm themselves.
Mm-hmm.
And whether that person has a whatever weapon to harm themselves, and they point out they're gonna harm themselves, and the cops still end up killing the person. So what's that, like? How does that work out?
I don't know. I have no answer for that.
You see what I'm saying? Like, in situations where people are trying to commit suicide, and because they have a weapon, and going there aggressive, most of the times, like they end up killing the person that's trying to kill themselves, and nothing. Like, you know what I mean? And if the person had, failed at the attempt and they got him restraint or something, then he would have got charged, put in the mental house and all that stuff. You know what I mean? And this is weird stuff that don't apply to.
It don't apply to everybody, but it apply to some people.
Yeah, but
I agree.
So, they say, well, in the chat, they say, hold on, I forgot to be checking over here. All police officers are peace officers, but not all peace officers are police officers. Okay, alright, Dwight, that makes sense. Peace officers are like bylaw officers. What do I mean? What bylaw officers mean?
But not on a larger scale.
Wait, what was what you said before that?
No, the dog say all police officers are peace officers, but not all peace officers are police officers. And then he said peace officers are like bylaw officers. And I don't know what the term
bylaw officers would be like. They follow everything by the law.
Oh.
In my terms of context.
I say mean do I like bylaw officers?
Like that's in my context, cool.
But even if you want them,
so it's a smaller scale. They're just a smaller scale. Mm-hmm. Peace officers are for like a corporation or not for. It's security basically.
Say again.
They're security basically.
Okay.
Peace officers are basically security. HOA, homeowners association, non-for-profit stuff. Like they're just officers that are around.
Oh, so no.
Local municipals.
Got you. Noted. All right. Switch gears. So, World Cup. Anybody got no update on that?
Well,
anybody tuning into that?
My team just dropped out today.
What that there? Who that?
France just lose to Spain today.
Damn, a lot of moment of silence. This show is crazy. But people was crashing out for Argentina and Brazil. Not as like the Knicks fans though, but because them history ain't gonna forget them. But like for the World Cup, as I said, I've seen a lot of videos of people eating like the foreigners with the food and shit, trying the new food. You seen those?
Mm-mm. Oh yeah, I did see some of them. Was trying like American food and stuff like that. Yeah, them just be funny, yo.
That was different, but at the same time, we over here is viewing their food, right? as they're healthy and get the organic shit. As we know, they don't use mad of the shit that we use.
They don't use no seasoning either.
Not even, well, they do use organic seasoning. It's Italy, nigga, like, and most of them, but anyway.
I'm about to say, Italy, when they make lasagna, yo, they do not use that much seasoning on it, yo.
Well, you know, they use their basil leaf and all of that shit.
Yeah, man, they're not using no seasonings, man.
As far as the, what the fuck, the middle between that thought, what the fuck me that about?
I don't know.
CCM shit.
They food.
Yeah, as far as the food differences, they put out that on that side of the world, and even my cousin in England, she'll say they don't have mad of the cereal and all this stuff because of the ingredients they have. It's
chips.
it's harmful to them, right? So, is it a thing where do they know that it's like that because that's healthy for them, or is it just a thing where they were born in and they just natural to them? So now that they come here,
I mean, I'm sure a lot of it is natural to them because they're born into it, but they learn that's the reason why. We live in the world is so small because of the internet, yo. So I'm quite sure that they see stuff, like, you gotta think, like, we see they snacks and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that they see our snacks and be like, damn, what the hell is that? We ain't got nothing like that. And they wonder why, and they find out that's because our shit's got starches and sugars and all types of extra shit in it that they don't have.
That it shouldn't even have.
Yeah, all types of shit.
Yeah, so that's my case.
I'm sure that they kind of like, it's just like when you're raising your kid, man. You raising your kid, it's certain stuff that you don't want your child to eat right now. As they get older, they're either gonna try it or they're gonna figure out why you did not want them to eat it. They're gonna find out. So it's not like you just telling them like, nah, you're not eating it because this. Nah, you don't eat that. We don't eat that.
How you feel about fast food with your child right now?
No, not right now.
All right, I flipped shit the other night. My nephew came in the house, McDonald's, gave some to his little brother, and my son with his little curious self.
He wanted some, right?
He wanted some. When I turned around to see him with a McDonald's chicken nugget, I'm like, why the hell would you? Nah. When I'm trying to grab it out of his hand.
Right, he going crazy.
He going crazy.
Like,
oh, I never had nothing like this.
Right.
Yeah, for a reason.
Yeah.
Not for nothing.
But
it might seem...
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah,
it's gonna happen.
Like not for nothing. The only fast food I do allow baby to have is Chick-fil-A. Granted, it's all the same thing.
It's all the same thing, but you're closer. You're a little bit closer.
Yeah. Not that big,
it's
but you
not
know what I mean?
Bad like
at least you know that chicken nugget look like chicken, even though we know
it look like
that's
chicken.
other than the McDonald's one and the other one that's grind up shit.
Fat, bro.
That's grind up shit. You know?
That shit is funny as hell, man. That's a fact, though.
So mad,
it is. But for now, she don't eat. We mostly cook her shit in all fruits. She like mostly fruits. But as far as that go, like. But the point I was trying to make is the ones that do know the reason why it's like that is because it's more healthy and less harm to them, right? And they still come here and eat it. Like it'll be like us knowing they're doing certain things to us to keep us in the dynamic we're in and under the stereotype we're under, and we still walk into the stereotype.
It's trying it, yo.
Trying. It's crazy to me, bro. I don't know.
It's because you apply a lot of stuff to just you and what you would do. You got to think on the broader horizon than just yourself, man. What people would do, man. No. These are people that's doing it and filming it. So these
I know, but it's just a,
so they're just trying it. It's like go back to like your kid.
I'm not saying is that me. It's just I'm trying to get into the mindset of somebody like.
So it's just like with your kid, we was just talking about like where his son having a chicken nugget and everything. Even if his son never had a chicken nugget when he was younger, it might be a time later on in his life where he might be with a girl and she gets some chicken nuggets and she's like, "Here, you want one?" He'd be like, "You know what? Right, fuck it." And he'd be like, "Ugh." But it's gonna happen, yo. Like it's certain stuff that you did not really have when you was younger that you nowadays you like shit. I kind of like this, or I don't. I see why I didn't have this growing up and everything. So I feel like it's more on it's a broader scale where people gonna try shit, man. Like people, especially if they filming it too. They coming over here from England and they trying some shit that they never had before and they recorded it. That's views. That's a check.
Yeah, true.
And you trying some new shit.
Hey, like I said, it's just a thing of like I said, the only thing is just crazy in my mind. Like you said, I'm using my mindset. Like if I know something is harmful, and that's why it's banned in the country, and then I go into the country that's allowing it. Not saying they're gonna die right away, but I would still like
Yeah, I
hesitate.
mean, they're not gonna give you
hesitation.
nothing that's gonna kill you immediately.
I mean, because we're all eating and surviving here.
Yeah,
I mean,
and that's probably
but
what's in their mind too. Like,
that's what I'm saying. They're probably looking at it like, oh,
yeah, like they just all they is fat. That's all they can say is that they fat. That's what they're gonna come here and say that everybody fat. They're gonna try the shit and go right back home to eating healthy again. Their stomach gonna be fucked up, but they gonna be healthy again. Like they gonna be back to eating what they was normally eating. It's not like they moving out here just living here and this is what they're gonna continue to eat.
That's it.
They just coming out here trying some shit. It's like when you go somewhere else. Well, see, you don't like trying new shit either, though. I try new shit, yo. So it's like going somewhere else where they famous for this dish.
What's the most bizarre shit you would try that you would think that would wow me?
I don't know, man. I had gator.
Okay, that's one.
I had ostrich before.
What the fuck? Ostrich before? What the fuck?
I said that shit completely wrong. Ostrich before. I've had that before.
Is it tough?
Nah.
Does it taste like chicken?
It tastes like chicken, yeah.
It's a
bird. It's just a big ass bird.
I'll try any bird. What you going to the fry or
turkey? You know, tastes like chicken.
It was fried.
Turkey tastes like turkey.
Yeah, turkey tough.
I'm not even thinking about that.
You get what I saying?
Yeah, that's it.
It's like a different type of chicken.
Yeah, but it's still chicken. It's still chicken, yeah.
Duck tastes different too.
See, damn, they say that's damn near chicken.
Duck bone tough. Alright, carry on. You said alligator and ostrich.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, that's why. Me not know alligator.
Alligator was kind of tough. It was kind of gamey. It was like it had a gamey taste to it.
What that fuck that term mean?
What is
like,
gamey?
Like gamey, like it's a game animal. Like it got like a grindy kind of. I'm trying to think of how
like a grizzly taste.
Yeah, like it tastes like it came from forest. Like when you bite, like you still taste the forest in that shit.
You still taste the forest in the.
Like not a lot, but it's like a hint of it. Like it's a.
It's like when you eat deer, you still taste it.
Yeah, there you go. Deer is a good.
So So it's almost like
can somebody in the chat describe what gamey taste mean?
Game got that little fishy taste.
Game. Your texture is a taste.
It's a taste. It's like a gamey taste.
Because
that sounds like a geeky freaking term, bro.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it was. It might be.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
It tastes weird though. It's like weird taste.
Deer is a good name for it. That's a good reference for it. It's like deer. You ever had deer before?
That goat.
Yeah, that's the
closest to the deer I'm eating. What?
It's not. That's different. That's different.
Yes.
Deer meat stink.
What ring?
It depends on how you make it, yo.
Me, because my first experience or encounter with the deer meat is when my mother husband did make it when we first come here. That whole house to me like they all roadside they find the meat. the first girl. So anyway, so we'll get into. Yo, that was a crazy ass segue. That was crazy segue. You know why? Movado and Cartel. I go on tour.
I'm gonna be there.
Oh yeah, that's gotta happen, yo.
I'm gonna be there in Jamaica next week.
Wait, that start.
Jamaica.
That's not next week.
Start.
Plantation Cove, Jamaica.
Oh, that's gonna be crazy.
Let's talk about that shit, bro. Like.
I wanna talk about it.
Okay, alright. You're not gonna say, well, yeah. How we feel about that? What do we think that's gonna look like?
That's crazy. That's gonna be crazy, yo.
Do you think they're gonna edit their songs or just keeping it clean?
They keep saying it's not gonna be a clash.
Yeah, tune for tune.
The promoters are saying it's not gonna be a clash, but.
Oh, that don't mean nothing.
I don't know, but then at the end of the day, you can't follow the artists either because they getting paid. They entertainers, not even artists. So they putting the way how they practicing right now is acting like it's about to be what we think it's about to be.
It's gotta be that, yo. It has to be that, yo. It has to be.
They're gonna go song for song. It's not gonna be a legit clash. Like, all right.
Nah.
War, we at war, but they going song for song. They definitely gonna.
Which is necessary.
They got to.
The fans need that.
You know what I'm thinking? And I'm gonna drop something here. And if I say it and if it happen, then Uno have to give me $50.
Who's Uno?
Yeah, and Uno.
I'll give you that no.
Yeah, right. I wasn't about to think of nothing clever to say, bruh. No. No.
Yeah, I don't, bro.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, no.
Nope.
Yo, alright. No. So, yeah, since that happened, and based on how this clash started and all that shit, I can foresee that they might bring back the alliance. If not individually on this shit, the whole team.
That would be crazy.
Each of their teams?
The alliance.
Oh. Not just alliance, not Gaza.
But if that happens,
that'd be fire, yo. More Empire come out. That'd be crazy.
No, like Blink Dog, Wayne Marshall, Busy Signal, all of those niggas, like.
Don't you?
Yeah, but that's what I said. If that's
a bill though.
Yeah, that's a crazy bill, yo. That's a crazy bill,
between the two of them already, that's a big bill.
Right, enough.
Yeah, so but
and this shit sold the freak out.
This way not gonna happen. This way you gotta look for it. Like I said, if Donia and Cartel no link back yet, then
they link.
They link back already?
I think they did. Wait.
Nah.
Did they? Oh no, they the only two that didn't link back up.
Yeah.
Because it was even on their interviews and shit. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so unless that happen, then they full. But either way, I feel like say, cause there's enough of them tune ya, especially the anger management where you just play Busy Signal and Mobile and all of them shit there.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah, so it just I Donia and Cartel have enough tough song together too. So. Me know if we black people, but me know. Bro, what?
What you do?
Yeah, tell us. Anyway, so like I said, that big one. So like we said, I've said it here, I put it out there. So if anybody see this and miss it yourself first, and that got for pre if the ultimate dancer show in Jamaica, the world would have flying and make the island sink.
That's something they would have to promote, yo. They would have to promote that, yo. They can't just spring something out like that on people, yo.
I mean,
that's a crazy.
No, but
Bonty?
No, but anyone a Cartel show them he don't promote that shit. He just bring them out.
That's true. That is true.
And that's why sometimes.
And then that's the thing. That's what make people
come to the next one.
I should have went to that one. Now I'm definitely going to the next one.
Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. I don't know if he's gonna do it. They're gonna do it individually. Like Movado can pick whoever feature him and vice versa. All of them work together either way. But if they bring back the alliance though, that's gonna be the ultimate dancehall show. Like first they finish, then clash, and then they do that or just combine everything. This shit will stop. But yeah, as we can see, yeah, that can go on. So next on the bill.
Let
me see. Come here, watch it, chat, and let me go back to my notes. Wow. 1 second, people. Let me see. Let me check my notes. Oh yeah, there's rumor that they're building Yeah man, there's rumor that they're building a Respect Me G. Yeah man, show to
Livevybz TV,
yeah,
never talk.
International. Yeah,
big up everybody, and also I need up there on the behalf of Livevybz International.
Yeah, so as I said, we're going to link up with you in a sec, so link up. Yeah, so as I said, people, word on the street in Jamaica, people who in Jamaica, tell me right now if it's true. I heard that they're going to build an airport somewhere in St. Elizabeth. Is that accurate? Whoever in the chat still don't have connection yet, let me go in a couple seconds to check in and make me know. Cause if I saw you go. Cause I don't know what I do with the little island, you know. But while I did the answer, I get ready for check out because I see the dog on the road and I have to go take time and get ready same way. But like we said, this is just us touching base checking in, and we're going to there next week with a bit more vibes, better audience because everybody else tune in from work late and all these things. So I will have the road crew next week and we have more things to promote. And we definitely forgot to shout out our sponsors. So before we sign out,
D&K Catering. Big shouts out to them.
And talking about D&K Catering, Carrot Punch is back in stock.
Oh, say that.
Carrot Punch is back in stock. But the boss they're on vacation right now with the family. So enjoy yourself, shot boss. And
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, we are waiting for the Carrot Punch in your far back. So D&K Catering, One Love Window Cleaning.
Man, what's the new Caribbean? What's the name of the restaurant?
Spice.
Caribbean Spice. I don't know why I want to say experience so bad. Caribbean Spice, yo.
Yeah.
Caribbean Spice restaurant, yo.
And
big shouts out to them, yo.
And all them podcast network made all this possible. So big shouts out to them.
And what's their new one? What's our new sponsor?
Oh, Chuckstar Production.
Big shouts out to Chuckstar Production.
And Party Bill. So Hennessy and Duce coming up soon. We got the flyer for that. We dropping that next week.
All right.
But we're gonna try to get a big one. But either way, we dropping that next week. Hennessy and Duce. We promoting that right through until it happen. And the biggest sponsor of all is the whole Livevybz family. Shouts out to everybody on the Livevybz team behind the cameras and all that shit. So, with that being said, producer, we're gonna make you hit the exit in the intro and hit the music and take us out. And this is your boy Gyalis Jay.
Dr. Sour.
And if you like the vibe, subscribe. And shouts out to everybody in the chat. Dwight and Kiki, we're there with the whole night. Shouts out to y'all. We're there. Good vibes, good conversation. So thank y'all for tuning in. And we're there. We're going all our vibes. We could be play some tune, but we're about to sign out. But people, we're gonna try tuning back. I'm gonna try something in the next like 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm try and see how it go. But for now, next week, more vibes, better vibes, live vibes, right vibes.
You already know, man.
All right,
you said it all, bro. You like the vibe, subscribe. Shit.
Yeah. KK, Daily, roaming at the mid. World big.
Outside, yeah.
How would that?